Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through a pattern to teach you how to read knit and crochet patterns. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Sable Simple Mesh Crochet Shawl Pattern so that you can identify what's going on in the pattern and maybe even tie it in with the things that you recognize from the video tutorial as well. So when you first open a pattern, you want to read through the entire thing first. Make sure there aren't any notes or special instructions that might be important to know before you get started. So you see the title, obviously a little description of what you're making, what you will need, how many yards or meters, what type of yarn, what size hook, scissors, yarn needle, what kind of yarn is used. You can click on that link to find the yarn itself. This is a hyperlink in the pattern. Gauge is important in some patterns and it is not important in others. Now, while gauge is not important in this pattern, if you are trying to match the yardage of yarn, that's the only time it does become important in something like this. If you want to make this shawl exactly the same size as mine, you'll need to follow the gauge in order for the yardage to be accurate. The finished size that I made was 80 inches wide by 30 inches long. The stitch guide tells you what stitches are used in this pattern, a chain with the abbreviation that you'll find in the written instructions, CH, slip stitch, SLST, double crochet, DC, and single crochet. Pattern notes. These are just little suggestions that you might want to follow, including turning the work at the end of your row, weave in loose ends as your work progresses, and most importantly, remember to have fun. When we're learning something new, sometimes we overthink and stress out about things. The whole point of this is to relax and have fun, so always a good reminder there. You will see that there are charts as well as written instructions here. I'm going to read the written instructions and then go back and match them up with the chart as well. So row 1 reads here with an asterisk right at the beginning of the row. That means we're going to be repeating from there at some point. So row 1 starts with chain 4, double crochet in the 4th chain from your hook, repeat from the asterisk 55 more times. The end of this row should look like a long rope of 56 little ovals. Let's go look at the chart now. The chart begins row 1 with chain 4, double crochet in the 4th chain from your hook, and you repeat that across for row 1. Row 2 starts with slip stitch into the side of the first oval, chain 1, single crochet in the same space. Then there is the asterisk again. That means we're going to repeat from here. Chain 5, parentheses means everything in that parentheses is all going to be worked into the same place. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in the next oval. So then we're going to repeat chain 5, then single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in the next oval across to the last oval. Then in the last oval, work chain 2, double crochet. Notice that we have one less chain 5 space. This is a decreasing row. Let's look at that on the chart now. Row 2 begins with slip stitching into the first oval, chain 1, single crochet in the first oval, chain 5, then single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in the next oval. And we're going to repeat chain 5, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all the way across to the last oval, where we will then do chain 2 and double crochet in the last oval. There is a note here to let you know that the chain 2 double crochet counts as your last chain 5 space, but places you at the top center for beginning the next row. Then row 3, chain 1, single crochet in the same space, asterisk means the beginning of our repeat, chain 5, then single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in the next chain 5 space. Repeat from the asterisk across to last chain 5 space, then chain 2, double crochet in last chain 5 space. And notice there's one less chain 5 space, again, because this is a decrease row. So let's look at row 3 on the chart. Chain 1, single crochet in the first space, chain 5, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in the next chain 5 space. You want to repeat that all the way across to the last chain 5 space and work chain 2, double crochet in the last chain 5 space. Notice this row is narrower than this row and it has one less chain 5 space, again, because it's a decreasing row. So then row 4 and row 5 are all still a repeat of row 2 and 3, just with one less chain 5 space. So let's read both of them. Row 4 begins with a chain 1, single crochet in same space, asterisk, chain 5, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. Inside the parentheses means it's all worked in the same space, in next chain 5 space. Repeat from asterisk across to last chain 5 space, chain 2, double crochet in last chain 5 space. And notice one less chain 5 space. It's a decrease. So look at row 4. On the chart, chain 1, single crochet in the first space, chain 5, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and repeat that across to the last chain 5 space where we'll do chain 2, double crochet in the last chain 5 space. Row 5, chain 1, single crochet in same space, asterisk, chain 5, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in the next chain 5 space. Repeat from asterisk across to last chain 5 space, chain 2, double crochet in last chain 5 space. 52 chain 5 spaces remain. Okay, 5, chain 1, single crochet in the first space, chain 5, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Repeat from the chain 5, single, chain 3, single, across to the last chain 5 space where we'll work chain 2 and double crochet. Okay, you want to keep working in this established decrease pattern until you make it to the final row. And this, however many rows this is dependent on how many ovals you started with. And on that last row, it's going to be chain 1, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, fasten off. When you're ready to begin the edging, you're going to join your yarn these chain 5 space. You want to join in the first one here or the last one here, depending on which way you're facing the shawl. And so row 1 of the edging says, working along the side edge of every row's chain 5 spaces, join with a slip stitch to end of first row, chain 3, counts as double crochet, work 10 additional double crochets in same space. Here comes our asterisk, single crochet in next chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet in next chain 5 space, 11 double crochets in next chain 5 space. Repeat from the asterisk across. Let's look at that on the edging chart now. You'll see row 1 starts with a chain 3 and 10 doubles in that first space. Then it's single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, 11 double crochets in the next chain 5 space. And we're going to repeat single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, 11 doubles all the way across. Row 2 begins with chain 4, counts as a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 times 10, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet times 11, and then we have our asterisk. It's chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and then chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet times 11. And so we can look at that on the chart here. It's chain 4, double crochet, chain 1 in each of the next 10 double crochets, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1, and you want to repeat this all the way across. And at the last one, there's no extra chain 1. Then row 3, let's read it back here. Row 3 begins with a chain 3 and single crochet in next chain 1 space, and you simply repeat that all the way across. So now look at that on the chart. Chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, and repeat that all the way across and fasten off. Make sure you follow the link in the video description to watch the tutorial video on how to crochet all these stitches, as well as get a link to download this pattern, and so you can start making this beautiful and simple sable crochet shawl pattern today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.